Hey there, this is Bakari Shavanu with Mac Automation Tips. I'm back with another video about Amazing Marvin. And in this particular video, I'm going to talk about habit tracking in the application. So basically what we want to do is that, it's like we have a lot of tasks we want to do, but we also want to keep up with some habits that we want to try to build or we want to try to quit, right? And so one of the things in Amazing Marvin is one of the over 100 strategies that Amazing Marvin has. And so basically what it does when you create it or use it as a strategy inside Amazing Marvin, it appears in your day view. So to get to it and enable it, all you have to do is press the key H in the application and it opens, and I'm sorry, press the key S and it will open up the strategies here. And then you go in and you go click on find habits here, and it's right here, and just enable it there. And it has some more instructions here and a little setting there. You can just kind of enable it to show habits in your day view. That's one way you want to do it so you can kind of keep up with the habit. So you go back here now, and then it appears in here, and you can click on it, and you see that I have two strategies already started here, just like here. So drinking water here, I'm about at a B, so I need to really increase that. And also my indoor bike exercise, really need to work on that. But as you click these off and do them, these grades will change, right? And so basically here, you can add a habit by just going here and say, again, we just want to, I already have this, but I just want to show you. You can say drink water, okay? And then you title it. So then you can say, I'm trying to build a habit, or you're trying to quit something here. So you can either do it that way, so that's your goal, or you want to try to build it. And then you can do it from, say, I want to do it on a daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly basis, and how many times you want to do it daily or weekly, or etc. You can, change that here. And all this here gives you little instructions right there so you can kind of follow through. And then also you can go here and say, what time do you want that reminder to appear in your day view? So say you want to start it at, say, 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. to whatever time that you want it to disappear. If it's something that, if it kind of be, if it's kind of ignore, something that you want to kind of ignore, you might want to have it disappear, not be there, say after 3 o'clock or what have you. And then auto hide after the habit success, which you can, keep that. I'll probably keep that. So once you check it, then the habit success will disappear. And then also I uncheck this. I don't want it in my calendar, but if that's what you want to do, that'd be great. And then show on your day view, definitely want to do that. I suggest that. And then you can also have it send you a reminder to your iPhone if you have that hooked up and set up, so you can have which days you want to do that. All right. And then you can also have it send to another choose what time of the day you would like to receive the reminder on your phone, right? And go down here and do your reminder text, what you want it to say when it's sent. And then you have some other options here that you can walk through yourself and just go through and say where you want to have the habit stored and what type of, what category. You might, say you want to have it in your health category, your health category, if you want to give it a priority, and also how long it would take. So if you're doing something that might take, if you're exercising, it may take 15 minutes, and you can put that in there as well. And then you just add that information, right? And then that's how it gets set up. So this is pretty much how you do this, and it's really great. You can follow it and see how you're doing, and you can also add more habits here as well in that view. And let's see here, and then you also click what you say. You have several different habits. If you have 5 or 6 or 10 of them, or whatever, you can click here to see which one's in your day view. And this is the one I need to check off for today. I need to get that done. Probably do it after I finish this video. So anyway, I hope that is useful to you. It's just one of the 100 strategies that are inside of Amazing Marvin. So definitely, if you're not an Amazing Marvin user, download it for the trial. I think you get a month-long trial. Definitely check it out. And if you are an Amazing Marvin user and you haven't tried this, definitely check it out. If you're new to my channel, definitely follow. And if you like this video, definitely give it a like. I really need to hear your feedback so I can continue to do better and better on these videos. So definitely give me your feedback and let me know how you're doing. They also have other videos about Amazing Marvin if you're trying to find out more about the application. All right, thanks a lot, and you have a great day.